Hey guys, Mike was getting Greasy Garage. So finally got the engine out of the $1,000 auto, 4.8. Last video I put up, we had some engine hoist technicalities. So anyway, well, as you can see, it didn't really do super hot on the bearings, both rods and mains. There's your thrust bearing, it's all chewed up. Now it didn't spin any bearings. So this thing's been apart a couple of days. I've been under the weather with, that stuff that's been going around for a couple of years. And so, anywho, yeah, so I'm looking for a crank right now. And I don't know, crank kits are hard to find for these 4.8s. I don't know if it's just current times. I also am having a little bit of a problem finding a complete gasket set for this. As far as a Felpro gasket set. Now, I like to use Felpro stuff. There's other brands out there, but I have my personal preferences. You can see there's some rod bearings. And none of these rod caps, that's just burnt oil. None of them spun. So I'll be reusing the rings, pistons, rods. Put a different crank in it. And I'm going to go ahead and pull the heads apart. Just check the guides. Make sure nothing got too dry of oil. All the rockers and everything looked really good. Probably just do a quick hand lap. Make sure that the valves are sealing good. Put new seals on them. We got new valve springs coming. Went ahead and ordered. Let me get into the house and get in front of the laptop, and I'll show you guys the turbo kit we're going to use. We'll get into the cam that we're going to use, and just some of the other stuff. So I'll bring you guys back here in a minute. Alright guys, well I told you I'd bring you back here when I'm in front of my laptop. So we're on eBay. Anyway, as I was trying to say before my phone acted up, it's adjustable from 8 to 25 psi. And on this particular motor, there's no way we'll ever crank it up to 28. I'm pretty much planning on running it at 8 to 10. If the owner decides he wants a little extra pep in his step, he could probably jump it up to 14, 15 psi. But without going to a whole nother level of engine build, 15 would be maximum. So anyway, let's switch over here. I'll show you the cam. So it's the Brian Tooley Racing Stage 2. And again, this is eBay. Brian Tooley Racing Stage 2 LS Truck Cam Kit. Now, I looked around and watched a lot of stuff on YouTube. About cams and what people are using with these turbo kits. And, of course, you got sloppy mechanics and on and on and on. There's several guys that play with this turbo stuff. And Richard Holdner done some testing with this cam. I got really good results, I feel, with the 4.8. So it's got a real nice sound to it, but it'll still make torque to a trailer. And it works really well with the turbo. Well, any cam is a turbo cam. But let's see if we can find the specs. But again, any of this stuff, I mean, they got all kinds of kits. But any of this stuff that you want to look up more, there you go. Comes with big valve springs. Well, it's 212, 218 duration with 553 lift, 111 degree lobe separation. But yeah, these are increased power without sacrificing low end torque, and better for a truck, obviously. So, but that's what I went with. All this stuff's on its way. Glenn's Auto Performance here had this kit, but yeah. Anyway, just thought I'd show you guys that, and then of course, I'm still looking for a crankshaft kit and a gasket set, but I'll find those later. I have everything else already ordered and it's coming for this project. Got new radiator, everything. So, anyway, guys, if you have any questions about this stuff, feel free to ask down in the comments. I'll do my best to answer. The components that were picked for this project were based on what the owner of the vehicle wants and my experience. And of course, listening to other guys out there and their experience. So, anyway, that's about it for now, and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Thank you for supporting the channel. Alright, guys.